Well, that's enough of that, guys. Goldfish pizza flavor. Label out. Having a quick Halloween celebration here. I thought I'd be Steel Worldwide for Halloween. Hope you guys like that. Jeeps? Colt 45, 8% strong beer. Let me give a couple shout outs. Shout out to Akisur. Shout out to Shit Soils. Good Halloween video. Shout out to Suck It Up Cupcake making a fucking zombie video a while ago. Shout out to Raj, GSHL TV, Storm Horizon. Shout out to this motherfucker, that goddamn horse. There actually was a purpose to it. I was gonna say something, but I fucking forget. Oh, fuck it. Oh well, fuck them. Fuck them all. Alright, oh yeah, all that fucking was jokes. Dorf's cool. So yeah, cheers guys. This is Metal 40, signing off. Shout out to all you people out there in the future, and out in the past, because only electronics can be seen in the future. So people in the future can be watching our videos. Because electronic is like no speed at all, it's all speed at once. You know what I'm saying? So cheers guys. Hopefully you got a good Halloween. Hopefully you got a good Halloween, get fucking shit-faced drunk. Oh, that's what I forgot to say at Steel Worldwide. Time to get shit-faced. Again. Well, cheers guys. I also want to give a shout out to Up and Down Around Town. Canadian motherfucker in the YTDC. Another Canadian brother. There's not many of us drinking max size 40s online. So, cheers to that, man. And shout out to Steer Worldwide, man. Cheers, man. Shout out to Jeepster, Citizen Shades, Shit Soils, Rugby 721, and Woodside Fuck You, Abanez 40, Ronnie fucking Swanson, Jackerbation, H Strong, and all you motherfuckers out there watching my videos. We all love you here from the fucking Metal 40 headquarters. And, have a good one, boys. Let's cheech it up. Cheers, guys. Have a good one. Yeah, guys, that's what I was gonna say. Let's get fucked up. I was gonna say, I just recently bought some hookers, and thumbs up to hookers. They're fucking awesome. And Support your fucking hookers in your area. That's what I have to say. Shout out to Colostomy Grab Bag. I know that you fucking like your hookers too. Shout out to hookers. Cheers, guys. It's gonna have to be a 2-part video, but fuck it. Suck my cock if you don't like it. And eat my fucking shit. Cheers. And I'm out. What's up, motherfuckers? Just thought I'd say what's up. Getting cheeched up, drinking 40s, and thought I'd do one more chug. Just want to say, big ups to J Banks for life. So cheers, guys. Hopefully y'all wasted. Hail Satan. That's some cool stuff. Cheers. Well, as I'm saying, hope y'all got a good one. Cheers, man.